Welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out these Teckin smart plugs. So you get a box of 6 of these from Amazon for about $25. And these, if you have Google Assistant or Google Home or Alexa, Amazon Echo, then you can control these by voice. You can use an app on your smartphone, turn them on or off anywhere you are, no matter where, as you have internet access or whatever. So in the box, we have 4 of these little guys, and we'll just kind of get you a close up here. So they're pretty small, not too big here. They feature a ground as well, and a little power button here on the side to help you sync those up. So, like I said, there's 4 of these guys that come in this box, and you can hook them up to a lamp or what have you. Also comes with little instructions here. So I believe the app that controls this is, I believe it's Smart Life app. I think I already have it anyways for some other of my stuff that I have. Smart Life app, yeah. So a lot of these products use the Smart Life app, and I do have this app already installed, I believe. So I'm going to show you guys how to set this up here in the next video. I just want to show you this unboxing real quick. I'll leave a link to the next video in the description below when I do the Alexa setup and try the gotta do the Google Home or the Google Assistant setup as well, and try to show you how to do the app and everything else like that. So that's that. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check this out on Amazon too. Kind of convenient for like security purposes. If you have, you're away, you can turn on the light or whatever, or middle of the night and you're walking down the hallway, you can tell Alexa or whoever to turn on your light for you so you don't run into stuff, or just a bunch of little things you can hook this up to. It's kind of convenient. So thanks for watching this unboxing. We'll see you guys next time. Everyone have a great day out there.